Good Thursday morning, everybody. The blizzard of 2010 is out of here. Now it's just time to finish digging out, clearing out. It's going to be a slow melting process, though. Officially, at the Lehigh Valley International Airport, let's put it up here. We saw 17.8 inches of snow, making this the biggest snowfall since the blizzard of 2003, February 16th to 17th of that year, when we saw 18.7 inches of snow. So this was a big storm. Some totals. Take a look. Boyertown in Berks County, 23.3. Percy, 21 inches. There's that 17.8. In Schnecksville, 15. And in Easton, we also saw about 15 inches of snow. Now, seasonal snow stats. This storm gives us 44.6 on the year. Normally it's about 20. We've seen 9 snowfalls so far this month. Over 27 inches, and my seasonal forecast, I've had to up 50 to 55 inches of snow, as more snow will be on the way. I don't think we'll be seeing this pattern of every 4 days we see snow, but more snow is certainly coming. We do have a chance on Monday to see some accumulating snow. Some of the models are hinting at a possible clipper that once it hits the coast will turn into another coastal storm. We'll continue to watch that. The forecast tonight calling for mostly clear skies, less wind, but still chilly. 10 to 16 will be those overnight lows. During the day tomorrow, sunny skies, a slow melting process. Highs only between about 28 and 31 across the region, below freezing. And on the exclusive BP Weather 5-day forecast, mostly sunny weekend, highs around 30. Another chance of snow Monday night into Tuesday, but it stays cold. Look at the lows, mainly in the teens. And on the exclusive BP Weather 10-day extended, we stay cold in the 20s and 30s, and maybe another snow chance as we move into next weekend. That's a look at your forecast for today. I'll try and see you tomorrow.